It's bigger than Pomeranian.
Not by much.
Yeah, maybe. Stupid.
What was that channel's name?
Marine biologist on their way to work.
Why is it working?
Why is it working?
Oh,
Wait, it's not working anymore.
Guys.
Huh?
Guys.
what is that?
What the?
Bro fucking broke my joke. Marine biologists.
No.
Marine biologists, when they get fired, they take their stuff with them.
Alright.
No, it's fine. It's just like I thought you were gonna launch it in here and break everything.
No.
Let's see if I can take off,
Don't
or
you
if this
have to
do.
find it?
Oh no! Oh no! Wait, let me reweight it.
Raku, tell Daniel how to kill.
No, it's okay, I can find it.
How can I help Daniel?
Yeah,
Is
how
there
to
a
kick.
button to kick?
The what? Kick?
How to
Yeah.
kick like in Gmod.
Ah.
Kick.
Fine. No, it's fine,
no
it's
kick.
fine. It's fine.
Motherfucker made me heavy.
Wait,
Bro, you don't have bombs.
it was 3 or 4? 4, my bad. It was 4.
Racco,
Hold on.
do you want to see my plan? Wait, where are you? Oh, there you guys are.
Hold on. I must know.
What?
What do you
this-
must know? Oh my god!
Yes.
Wait, do you see me flying around? I need a volunteer. I'm in like the fucking small plane.
I see a predator missile. Oh, I see.
Wait, who's on the lighthouse? Can you turn on the missile on top of the plane?
No.
Somebody come turn the missile on. I'm flying around the lighthouse right now.
Wait the fuck.
Oh no, I see another fart bomb.
Oh,
Oh no, I see it! Wait,
Okay, I'll do something else then. I'll
I have to
attach.
stop sound.
I'll attach the amount of weight the fart bomb is to the projectile in your tube, and I'll see if it will like push it. All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Right. Oh, it actually works!
what's
Come on, rope it up.
How did I survive?
Tell me when you're ready, Racco.
Right. What should fucking explode when you like this second?
Right.
Like, alright.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Oh,
god, that's, oh no!
Who is that?
And weld the chair.
At the chair, at the chair, yeah, the shore.
The chair.
The shore, the beach, whatever you want
I
to call
need a
it.
chair, okay.
Weld the chair.
What the hell you guys do?
I don't know what they're
I
doing.
want you guys to stay near a missile and let's activate at the same time.
Chair.
Alright.
I cannot find. Wait.
Careful,
what do I need to do?
Racco,
I'm
careful.
confused. Do I
Make it
have
like,
to
make the
turn
car
on the rocket?
weightless though. Just saying.
It weighs nothing already.
Daniel, wait. No, Daniel, no.
Activate them! Disaster. They're not even exploding.
It will explode.
Because Daniel pressed E on.
Never mind. Experimente failure, big accidente.
Big accident.
Right, shell is loaded, shell is armed.
Oh, the Deluxo. Cool. Cool shit. You just wanna sit.
Right, you ready, Rick? Oh,
Sit.
Yep.
right, let's see. You sure it's roped?
What the fuck
What's
is a
roped?
fart bomb?
Oh yeah, I thought you wanted to put a bomb, like the fart bomb on it again, as a rope.
Nah.
Well, fuck you, I'm doing that then.
But
Right, Racco, you ready?
yeah.
No, I mean in GTA Online. I mean,
Jesus!
the bomb was pushing me.
Yeah, that did not work.
Oh my god, the amount of fucking like, darkening on the ground.
Oh, I missed you so much, bomb. I'm gonna fly.
Daniel,
away,
what are you
bitch. Fuck. Let me sit on this bitch
Oh, I
ass
see.
fucking rocket.
Bomb.
Yeah.
Don't catch the bomb, man. Now. Leave me alone.
I did. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, fuck, it blew it. Oh,
I don't know how to turn.
Oh no! Oh no! It.
why I cannot jump on that
Take
plane?
off.
Fuck's sake.
That's a weird plane.
Looks awesome.
Yes, I'm gonna ram it straight into somebody.
Looks like a shitty Tesla with wings.
I'm gonna chase you. Whoever's flying, is that you, Rako?
Yes.
I'm gonna chase you and see if I can hit you with the bomb.
I didn't know that.
Bugatti.
Grugadi.
Ew, that's not Bugatti. That's not
Bugatti.
JK. JK.
Wait, this. Then GTR.
Ah, R35.
Come on, Rako. Stop. Rako, you gotta fly into the fucking
Oh.
thing. Out here.
I want to sit there.
Skill always beats luck.
What do you mean you fucking crashed?
Dude, this is not Hot Pursuit. Chill out.
Wait, how did my bomb not explode? Leah, let me do that. How did the bomb still not explode? What the fuck?
Oh, wait, why am I having
There it is.
body?
Doesn't he do anything? Fucking.
I think he's supposed to fight the red team. Sorry, I cannot drive. I'm a white woman. I'm just a girl.
Is that fucking Foxy?
Yes.
Hi, Foxy. How are you doing? Yeah, fair enough.
I.
You know, I'm gonna take this bad boy.
Oh, it froze.
Whoa, nice
Yeah,
lag.
I spawned the GTA 5 car. I don't know why it lagged so bad. Ooh, I can change stuff. Motherfucker, get out of my fucking... Don't break my car!
I died because Heavy run me over.
Best way.
I honestly just used Vortex, like the mod manager.
Some people recommending Mod Organizer.
That's also a very popular one.
Also, another thing.
Rako,
which is
I hate
very-
you.
It's 5x30.
There's a very thing weird for me. I'm trying to open New Vegas. It doesn't want to. And then the install pop-up for New Vegas PCR shows up.
Just the guy fly with the motherfucking missile.
Just a mega rubber rocket launcher.
Ow. Fuck. I want.
I
the
see a
fucking
recipient.
shit was Garry's mom. Oh, shit.
Mod Organizer's telling me that I'm
Fuck,
missing.
Jesus fucking... Jesus Christ, that bomb is a lot stronger. It killed me too. It
What
was a
that?
perfect hit though. Do you wanna get in the other seat?
Nah.
What's
Alright, bet.
Hey, Daniel.
Here you can... You don't have these gifts.
morning? Fuck, I'm dying.
Hey, Damon.
Yes.
Ready to fight?
Yes.
Bro, used to
Good fight. Good fight. You know what?
Okay,
Rako, you know what I think of that? You know what I...
Oh,
You know, just give me one moment.
Oh, what?
What is your hitbox? Right, I have a solution for this.
But yeah, the fucking thighs on this model.
Fuck ass truck. Team dance list. Create team dance. Team me. Oh my god!
Triple kill.
What is this? Where's
Some
Ricardo Milos?
Wait, there's high five. I think I can do this with you. Oh hell, close enough.
That's
On
awesome.
my end you didn't.
How did
On
you
my
do-
end you did. Help! I can't stop. Can you shoot me? I can't stop.
Right.
There we go. Awful.
Which?
Ah yes, this is just turning into dance competition.
It's
Let
awesome.
me try. Oh my god.
Those hips split this fucking truck in half. Damon.
Hmm?
Yeah, at the moment I'm trying to use a BSA decompressor and it's not working for me. don't know
I think I
what's
skipped that step.
Hmm.
Like I just said
What the
fuck it
fuck
because I
is
couldn't get it to
sound?
work.
It says
Nice,
I'm
all my
missing-
deaths are full now.
It says I'm missing some files from my data folder, but they're just not there.
Oh, nice lag.
It's
Oh god, did your game crash?
Yes.
Hey Racco. You're so fat, as soon as I hit you, my car completely became damaged. Like, damn, bro.
Skill issue.
Don't blow it up. Wait, let me hear. Right, goodbye. Good lord. I can still see you back there. There he is. Evening.
I get returned to where I came from.
Return to sender. Why is it downloading like something? I don't know.
mixing texture.
But from what? But from what? Jesus.
Like, the guide really told me, hey, you know how there are multiple unofficial patches? Yeah, just install them all.
That is not gonna work, man. I'm gonna be honest. That seems like something. Oh shit. Holy shit.
I'm not sure if I should be using that. Like the canals under the bridge, heading towards the
Okay.
middle.
Heading towards the what now?
Middle. Like coming at the middle.
Yeah, I think I just saw dust from you guys.
One. Right. Pull over now.
Pull over.
I've got you surrounded, at least from this side.
His tires are gone. Oh my god.
One,
Yeah, now he's out. He's out.
4, 5. Busted.
Buster. Oh my god. Right, let's get back to spawn.
Because I need to optimize.
I'll throw my
You
hand.
just yoink. There we
OJ
go.
Simpson mobile.
Oh my god, it is literally. Right. 3, 2, 1, go! Goddamn liberals, go here! Come here, OJ Simpson, you're under arrest. God damn, bro. Damn.
Holy shit, it almost fell over.
I'm coming after you, buddy, even with only 2 wheels, buddy. Oh, you fucking liberal. Come here, I can't drive. Is your wheel broken as well, or you just shit like? Is your car just shit like that?
No, I'm just wobbling it because it's funny to look at.
God damn. I thought it would, like, I guess grind alongside it, but I guess not.
I should probably be looking ahead instead of being at you.
Are you? I am surprised that you fit through there.
Me too.
Bro took a huge gamble there.
Type of goofy fucking chases you see on the internet.
True.
Yeah.
Come on, why is this piece of shit so slow? Motherfucker!
That was
This
dirty.
thing- this- I can. My engine is struggling. I can hear it literally dying. Like, fuck me. God damn, boy! Just obliterated, Jesus. Fuck.
It's like I saw you spinning at Mach fuck.
This missile is fun.
I need a
912,
942 million.
711, never forget.
Shut the fuck up. Let's see, Oh my god, that fucking thing scared me! You know what, Rego, come here. Wait. Just give it a moment. Jesus!
If you notice, you're 50 years old. Hi, Damon.
Damon's still deafened. Watch this.
The fuck did you throw? What did you throw at me?
Have a look.
I'll pick up.
And anything but playing Garry's Mod properly. You know, let me just
I'm
Got a
not
question.
gonna
How do you play Gary's Mod properly? Quote unquote.
jumping into a bomb. You know what? Hot potato.
You're going to RP servers. Those RP servers. You RP them for 5 minutes.
No?
And then you make a YouTube video about it. What the fuck?
How did that not even kill
Are you
you?
Hungarian or something?
Alright, this one.
What? How'd that not kill
What?
me? I'm like this dog chasing after this fucking like bottle. Bitch. Give
Yeah,
me a hug.
fair.
Thanks.
I'm proud of you. You should explode.
Hey Vlad, look at me.
Right, this subject.
No.
I missed.
Oh, I missed.
Oh,
Oh, I. Vlad, what are you doing over there with that missile?
yeah.
Damn, I think I did. Oh!
Did
What happened even? Like, I guess the shockwave killed me, but what the fuck?
no, it was Rag.
Of course.
Who
Little
else but Ra-
Raccoino.
What?
Oops, all Racco.
Vlad,
Oh.
get in.
Are you sure? What the fuck? Bruh.
I can see just the error chasing someone again. Or, well, the missing texture this time.
Is it gonna be affected by it? By this?
Yes.
Oh,
Nope.
bitch.
Bish, bush, morash, push.
I'll be right back.
Right.
Racco, this thing is not good enough to fucking pull you up.
Wait, Racco. No.
Let me try something else. Wait, stay. Wait, let me go over here with you guys. Where is it? There.
Racco is like Michael in that GTA 5 mission where I have. I was on my way to Simeon, bruh.
Did you game crash?
Yes.
What the hell? Get out of my plane! Okay, let's just... Right.
I don't
Rope?
think it just
Rope. Yeah, it hasn't crashed. I get in. Motherfucker!
Up, 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 up!
Oh! Come on, we can still do this.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, them. Oh shit!
Rocco, you wanna get in? The car?
Hold on.
Gotta heat up.
He's arriving. I'm ready to go. Damn!
Why am I dead?
Because he shot you.
The drive-by.
No. What the fuck?
Watch out.
Oh,
No, is that?
I didn't even realize that Matt was here. I was confused who just flew.
Die.
Right now, how do I attach wings to this bitch?
Peter.
Why is he purple?
We just all got crashed.
Erasmus.
No cap, for real, for real?
Erasmus.
It's Cadillac.
No, it's
His name is not
Robert.
Cadillac.
Mr. Cadillac is on his way.
No, it's
Ah.
Robert.
I have.
He's going to Cadillac.
Only $12,000.
Cadillac.
What else, man? Hey, Daniel's setup.
Yeah. I'm driving. Fuck. It's mine. Oh, I'm dying.
Is it the fucking sound of it again? I swear to God,
No,
man.
no, it's a button
You know
that
what?
throws you across the map. This is the type of model that Spaz will use.
Train.
Oh, I love that.
I'm not.
This one,
Yeah.
this one is very broken.
Can I color this
What are you
fucking
trying
thing?
to do in here?
Yeah, it's see how like he moves like very far away? No, look at this.
Oh no! It's got a Doppler effect as well.
Particle accelerator.
Wait, ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh no!
What the fuck?
Oh, I got Robert. Holy shit.
He's
Yeah,
got a
but what-
Robert.
Wait, open the hangar, I'm gonna
No.
land at it.
No.
Close enough.
Oh no!
Perfect landing.
He's getting fucked. Oh, thank you for the Robert.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, a little burned.
Oh shit, not Robert. I don't need Robert.
Bro.
Oh, man.
That film.
This is the greatest plan.
Where is mushroom? Mushroom.
Ow.
Ow.
There we go. Look at these idiots.
Nextbot base is creating errors like to the rhythm of me hitting the pan. That's interesting. I wonder if that's related actually. Or
Yeah, he's gotta regroup.
What did I come back to?
Join us.
What company are protesting?
The Lethal Company. Just running around like this, like around Daemon.
Pack of stupids.
Us at the Discord HQ.
Okay, now go ahead and hit it.
Alright, on 3. Oh.
Oh well, crap. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
The latency said no.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Fuck off.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Are you serious? Like towards each other, but then to the left.
Oh, I see. I guess stand a little bit further. Oh, wait, now it doesn't move you? Interesting.
It is moving me on my end. Oh my god.
Alright. Same as before.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Like you're so much smaller.
I hope you're able to clip it because it's out of sync on my end.
Yeah, I can clip it.
Oh yeah, cool. See, on my end, it's not only out of sync, but they're also like too far away from each other.
Yeah, on my end, like we're like feet apart, like 1 foot apart.
Just how it should be.
Guess this one works.
Yeah, this one.
This is about to look incredibly silly.
It's on page 3, by the way. This is pretty fun.
Yeah.
Game disagree.
Alright,